first face of the day. There was once a Raja who was a strong believer in omens. He was convinced that the first face he happened upon on waking would decide the course of the day for him. If the face were that of a good person, then the day would be pleasant. And if it was the face of a bad person, then the day would not be worth experiencing at all. On waking up, the Raja would open the window next to his bed and his eyes would fall upon whoever was there on the palace road below his window. The people of the town, unfortunately, were also believers like him. And they thought that if the first face they glimpsed was a royal face, it would bring them luck. So the palace road was always full of people down on their luck. One morning, the Raja had woken up but was too lazy to get out of bed. He tossed and turned, and for some strange reason he was feeling low. Something was irritating him. Finally, after some time, he sat up in bed and he swung the window open and we peeked outside. There was not a soul on the palace road except one leper dressed in dirty rags. Gee, is this the face I had to look at first thing in the morning, thought the Raja. And at that moment, the leper too looked up and saw the Raja's face. The Raja hated the sight of him, and it irked him even more that the leper had dared to look up at him. The Raja pulled back his head and shut the window, and in his haste, he banged the shutters on his fingers. Ouch! I knew this would happen. It's all because of that wretch. Now this day can only get worse. So many of the townsfolk must have seen him. Everyone's day will be ruined. And imagining more and more misfortunes, he called for the minister. Catch that filthy leper, take him to the palace court and have his head chopped off, he said. Now at the palace courtyard, the leper was read out his punishment and asked about his last and final wish. Before I die, I want to see the Raja once and ask him one question, said the leper. The Raja was informed. Okay, poor soul. It is indeed my duty as a Raja to satisfy his last wish, he said, and he went to the courtyard. At the courtyard, he asked the leper, "What do you want?" The leper's hands and feet were bound, so he bowed down his head in respect to the Raja and said, "O Raja, I too am convinced that the first face I glimpse upon waking will decide the course of the day for me. This morning, the first face I saw was yours. You who saw me first had your fingers banged by the window shutters. But I, a poor meager leper, who saw you first, am going to die. If the face is that of a good person, then the day will be pleasant. If it is the face of a bad person, then the day will not be worth experiencing at all. All I want now is an opinion from you, O Raja. Which of the two of us is the bad one?" The Raja bent his head in shame and ordered the leper to be released.